Oh my goodness, for math, we have so many things to learn this week. I don't know if we can do it all. Can your little brains get it? We will see. Let's see. Here's where we're going to start. Let's start with our numbers, okay? Now you remember, here's our numbers, right? Okay, let's see if we can do this. Here's our numbers. These are our hundreds, these are our tens, and our ones, right? So this number is what? 5, isn't it? Now what is it? 35, right? 35. Now what number? 735, right? Okay, let's do 3 more, okay? 3 more. Number 3, right? Now what's our number? 83, that's right, 83. Now let's see. Now what is our number? 683. 2 more, let's see. What's our number? 9. 19. And 319, right? 1 more. Four. 54. And 854, right? Okay. You can practice those at home with your big person, right? That would be a very good idea. Okay, what's next? Last week we started working with our clock, didn't we? We're going to work with that today. We're going to learn something new, but before we do that, I want you to every stand up. We're going to count by 5s because we need to do that on our clock today, okay? Let's see. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. As far as we're going to count, okay? You can keep counting later when you play, right? Let's do it 2 more times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. One more time. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Boop! The end. Now we're going to practice our clock. What time is it? Remember, we have 2 hands. We have a little hand and a big hand. The little hand tells your hour, right? Points out, it just gets right, see, it gets right to the number, but it doesn't go through, right? The big hand tells how many minutes. That was the one that moves fast, and see, it goes all the way through the hour. See that? Goes all the way through. See how it goes all the way up to those little marks up there? Okay, that tells how many minutes. So we look at our clock here. When we say our hour first. What is our hour? Get your little guy first and then your big guy, right? The little guy always goes first, okay? So what's your little guy? Your little guy, right? Here's how you remember your time. When you grow, you start out little, right? And then you get big. You don't start out big first and then little, no. You start out little and then you get big. Same with the time. You start out little, the little hand, and that tells your hour. And then you go with the big hand and that tells your minute. Okay, so we look at the little hand. The little hand is pointing to the 4, isn't it? Okay, so the little hand, and when it's straight up, we say o'clock. So now it is what? It is 4 o'clock. Now it is, what time? 6 o'clock. What time is it now? 7 o'clock, right? Okay, now, when the number gets down to the bottom of the clock, right, the little hand moves between two numbers, doesn't it? It's in the middle. So we say our hour first. We always start with the little hand because when you grow, you start out little and then you get big, okay? So we always start with our little hand, okay? Because you get little hands before you get big hands, right? Yep, you do. Okay, so we look at this number here, the number that we just passed. Okay, did it get up to there yet? Okay, so we say our hour is 8:30. When it's down at the bottom, we say 30. Or in Spanish, you would say 8:30, half past the hour, right? 8:30. Or we would say 8:30, 8:30. Okay, let's see. Now what time is it? We say our hour first. It's on the 12, isn't it? I mean, it's on the 10, rather. It's on the 10, and it's straight up. So we say 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Now, if we, there it goes down to the bottom. Now it's still 10. Did it get to the 11 yet? So we say 10:30. Okay, that's how it works. Now, every hour has 60 minutes in it. See these little marks? There's 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? But you know what? We don't want to have to count all those little marks around the clock. That takes too long, right? And the same way that we can count by fives, 5, 10, 15, 20, we can count on our clock the same way. So when we start up here, it is 10 o'clock, isn't it? So when the hand moves, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now it is 10:05. When it gets here, okay, 5:10. Now it's 10:10. And move down to the 3. 5, 10, 15. So now it is 10:15. Okay, moves down here. Okay, now what do we have? 5, 10, 15, 20, isn't it? 5, 20, 10, 20. Now what is it? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 10:25. So the hour is 10 o'clock, and we call these minutes 25 minutes. Now it's all the way at the bottom. What time is it now? Do you remember? 10. Well, let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 10:30, right? The bottom is the 30. Now what time is it? Okay? It's still on this over here, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 10:35. Okay? Okay, be careful. Did it get to the 11 yet? We're still on the hour of 10, okay? Still on the hour of 10. What time is it? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Our time is 10:40. Cool, isn't it? See, now your mama on her cell phone, your mama's cell phone, where's my cell phone? Okay, there's the clock, right? And what time does my clock say? 12:42, right? The same thing, see that? Yep. Okay. So what do we have with our numbers here? See, we have 12, and then after that we have two numbers, 42, 45, oh, disappear. Come back here. Okay, there we go. So here's our hour, 12, that's our hour, and these are our minutes. How many minutes? 42 minutes, or 30 minutes, or 15 minutes, or whatever it is, okay? So we're back here. We are up to 10:40, okay? Here we go. What time is it now? Our hour is 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 10:45. This is cool. Okay, now, look at our clock. See that? It still did not get, it's not to the 10 yet. When it's up here on this side, you have to be very careful when you do your hours, okay? So we say our hour first. Our hour is 10. Okay, let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. The time is now 10:50. And that looks like it's almost on 11, but it's not. The hour is still 10 o'clock. Move it up. Now what time is it? Okay, it looks like it's only 11, but you know what? Nope. See, because why? See, it's 10. It's not going to be 11 till this big hand gets up to the top and says 11 o'clock. When it's on this side, it's still the number before, okay? So here's our number. It's 10 what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now we're going to move it little mark by little mark. Watch what happens. 50, 10:56, 10:57, 10:58, 10:59, 10:60. Oh, do we say 10:60? No, it's a whole new hour. It's a whole new hour, and our hour is what? It is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Cool. We're going to practice some more with this tomorrow. Itchy nose today. Okay? We'll keep practicing, and you can practice with Miss Lily too, okay? And get your time. We have so much to do, okay? But that's it. So how do you do your time? Oops. You always do your little hand first, because your hands are little before they get big, right? They start out little bitty bitty, and then they get big. So you always tell your time, little hand first. What's your little hand? The hour is 10:40. 10:30. Oh, let's see. Let's do another one. Okay, now it is, what time is it? 1 o'clock, right? Now what time is it? Okay, let's see. 1 is our hour. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Our hour is 1:25. We'll do one more, okay? Let's see. What is our hour? 5, right? We go around this way. It didn't get to the 6 yet, right? 5, come over here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So our time is 5:35. Okay, we're going to stop there for today. This week we're doing our plus 3s, minus 3s. You know most of them, there's only 2 new ones, okay? Two new ones for addition. Plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. And 3 plus 9 is 12. The only two new ones, okay? You know all the other ones, okay? So let's mix them in. Let's mix them in and let's go through all of them, okay? Well, we'll just pull out our 3s. Let's pull out our 3s for starters. Okay, here we go. Ready? 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 4 is 7. 3 plus 9 is 12. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, let's mix them in with the other ones. And let's see how we do today, okay? Okay, here we go. All our addition cards. You practicing these every day? I hope so. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 8 is 10. 3 plus 9 is 12. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. Let's do our 3s. Take away 3s really fast. We only have 2 new ones today on the takeaways. Okay. The new ones, we had 3 plus 8 is 11, right? 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 take away 3 is 8. 3 plus 9 is 12, so 12 take away 3 is 9. Let's mix them in, and let's go over them, okay? 5 take away 3 is 2. 4 take away 3 is 1. 6 take away 3 is 3. 8 take away 3 is 5. 11 take away 3 is 8. 10 take away 3 is 7. 12 take away 3 is 9. 4 take away 3 is 1. 7 take away 3 is 4. 9 take away 3 is 6. Okay, let's mix our 3s in with all the other ones. And let's see how you do today, okay? Here we go. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 take away 3 is 1. 5 take away 3 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 plus 7 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 take away 3 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 take away 3. 3 plus 4, that doesn't belong in there. I mix my pluses and minuses in there. Ah, silly me. Silly me, let's quick fix this. My brain was somewhere else. I mixed them in the wrong ones. Okay, those, silly me. Okay, now we got them mixed right. Okay, here we go. 10 take away 3 is 7. 3 take away 2 is 1. 12 take away 3 is 9. 7 take away 4 is 3. 5 take away 4 is 1. 10 take away 2 is 8. 8 take away 2 is 6. 8 take away 4 is 4. 5 take away 2 is 3. 4 take away 3 is 1. 10 take away 4 is 6. 5 take away 3 is 2. 7 take away 2 is 5. 7 take away 3 is 4. 4 take away 3 is 1. 6 take away 3 is 3. 8 take away 3 is 5. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 4 is 5. 6 take away 4 is 2. 11 take away 2 is 9. 9 take away 2 is 7. 6 take away 2 is 4. 4 take away 2 is 2. 11 take away 3 is 8. Okay, that's it for today. Practice your own, right? And do all your other work and have fun.